Most people think global power comes from size, wealth, or military strength. But in today's world, one small booklet can decide how far you're allowed to go. Your passport. In the Caribbean, a quiet shift has taken place, and many people missed it. Jamaica has now surpassed the Dominican Republic, Cuba, and Haiti in global travel access, giving its citizens greater mobility than several of its closest neighbors. This documentary explores how Jamaica did it, what passport power really means, and why it matters far beyond tourism. Now here is, what is passport power? Passport power is not about pride, it's about permission. It measures how many countries a citizen can enter without a visa, with a visa on arrival, or with simple electronic authorization. The more countries you can access without lengthy approval processes, the stronger your passport is considered. This strength is often shaped by international trust, diplomatic relationships, security standards, political stability, economic cooperation, and in recent global mobility rankings, Jamaica's passport has gained ground. In the latest rankings, Jamaica now offers broader visa-free or simplified access than Dominican Republic. Despite a strong tourism industry, Dominican passport holders still face stricter visa requirements in many regions. Cuban citizens experience limited mobility due to long-standing geopolitical restrictions and diplomatic barriers. Haiti, ongoing political instability and economic challenges have significantly reduced global travel access for Haitian nationals. Jamaica's passport now surpasses all three, a notable shift in regional mobility. You might be asking, so how did Jamaica pull this off? Well, this didn't happen overnight. Jamaica's rise is tied to strategy, not coincidence. 1. Diplomatic balance. Jamaica maintains diplomatic relationships across multiple global blocs: North America, Europe, Latin America, Africa, and Asia, without heavy alignment to conflict zones. 2. Commonwealth and CARICOM membership. As part of the Commonwealth and CARICOM, Jamaica benefits from historic travel privileges, cooperation agreements, and regional credibility. 3. Improved passport security. Modern passport technology, biometric upgrades, and international compliance standards have made Jamaican travel documents more trusted. 4. Stable international reputation. While not without challenges, Jamaica is seen globally as politically stable compared to some neighbors, a key factor in visa policy decisions. This is why this actually matters. Passport strength impacts more than vacations. It affects students studying abroad, business owners expanding internationally, athletes, entertainers, and professionals traveling for work, diaspora families reconnecting across borders. A stronger passport means fewer barriers, fewer delays, and more opportunity. For Jamaicans, this represents expanded access to the world, even if many don't realize it yet. Listen, Jamaica is not number one, but the trend matters. Let's be clear, Jamaica does not hold the strongest passport in the Caribbean. Countries like Barbados and the Bahamas still rank higher in global access. But rankings are not static. What matters is direction, and Jamaica is moving upward while others remain stagnant or decline. That upward movement signals growing international confidence. Jamaica didn't make headlines with this shift. No parade, no announcement, but in the global system of borders, permissions, and power, this is a quiet victory. A reminder that international respect isn't only built through wealth or force, but through diplomacy, consistency, and trust. And sometimes the strongest moves are the ones made quietly. Yeah man, that is it.